Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to check your Amazon Message Center. This is where all your important communication with sellers and Amazon itself is stored, so knowing how to access it quickly is really useful for tracking orders or resolving issues. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. This will bring you to the main Amazon homepage where you can start navigating to your messages. Now look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see Account and Lists in the menu bar. Hover your mouse over this option and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This takes you to your main account settings page where you can manage everything related to your Amazon profile. Once you're on the account page, you'll need to locate and click on Your Messages. This option is specifically designed to show all the communications tied to your account, including order updates and correspondence with sellers. Clicking this will open up your message inbox. After the messages page loads, direct your attention to the top menu. Here you'll see different categories for organizing your messages. Click on Buyer/Seller Messages. This section filters your inbox to show only the conversations between you and sellers, making it much easier to find specific communications about your purchases or any questions you've sent to merchants. And there you have it. You've successfully accessed your Amazon Message Center and can now view all your buyer and seller communications in one organized place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.